Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3 or X4 that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the AC, clutch, fuse and relay is located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So, before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys, we'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So where you can guys expect to find the fuse and the relay for the AC clutch on this BMW? We'll demonstrate here guys. We took pictures, detailed pictures of fuse box and stuff like that, so we can show you with a great detail. What you guys need to do first, you need to open the passenger door, and on the passenger side open the glove box. Now once you open the glove box, on the back side you have that cover, pull that notch down, pull towards you. Behind it you have a fuse box that will look like this one here. Now here guys, let's zoom in a little bit and we want to show you which fuses we need to check. By the way, we need to work in different fuse boxes, and this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know about. We'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out. Now guys, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, relay and fuses. Let's first explain about the fuses. We're going to zoom in here in the upper right section, and even if you have an empty spot, you count that fuse, but you're going to start with counting now. Okay, we're going to have fuse number 1, 2, 3. That fuse number 3 will need to be checked right here. Next, you will need to guys check fuse number 8. Fuse number 8, if you come in that lower section from these fuses, that's 7, 8, 9. So 8 will be that 30 fuse. Very important fuse. After that guys, we need to check fuse number 11. So that's 10, 11. Right here, that fuse will need to be checked as well. After that guys, we need to find fuse number 31. 31, okay, will be, if you come in this one, that's 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, right here. That fuse needs to be checked. Next, we need to check fuse 44. So 44 guys, okay, 44, give me a second now. If we come up now in that row, okay, right here, this is 43, 44, that second fuse right here will need to be checked too. After that, we need to check fuse number 48, that one here. And next we need to check fuse number 50. Fuse number 50, guys, okay, is if you come right here, will be that 20 amp fuse here. Also, you need to open, okay, the trunk on your BMW. Okay, let me show you now. And here on the right side you have that cover. Remove it, and you're going to find the trunk fuse box here. Here we need to check one more fuse that is known as specifically as fuse 121. So if we zoom in a little bit, you come in another row of fuses. That's the fuse that you need to check. Now about relays, you don't have a specific relay. Those are known as relay fuses. The relay is practically controlled by the car. The only relays that you have here is that one. Here you have hidden underneath, and in the front fuse box, okay, but those are for the horn wipers right here, and also, guys, okay, we have another relay that you need to check here, but mostly those fuses are known as relay fuses. So if you're looking for relay, you will not have one. You will need to check your fuses, guys. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because we have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.